This tutorial is on Quizizz, which is an online resource teachers can use to challenge their students in a fun and creative way. First, go to Quizizz.com. Sign up and log in. Once you've logged in, you will see the home page, and there are several options on choosing a quiz. You can search for a quiz, or you can create a new quiz. For this tutorial, we will be creating a new quiz by double-clicking on this tab. Next, you will be taken to a new page. On this page, you will enter a quiz name. You may upload an image. Choose your language. And there's an additional great feature that Quizizz offers, which is the ability to align your quiz to the state standards by clicking in this box. And then we click Save. After clicking Save, it'll take you to the screen that allows you to align your quiz to the standards. You'll select your state standards, select your grade level, and then select the subject matter, and then add this standard. Now we're ready to begin formatting our quiz, but before we do so, I'd like to point out a few options. First, you have the ability to choose whether you want your quiz to be private or public. Additionally, you can search from existing questions, or you can create a new question list. For this tutorial, we will be creating a new question. This is where you will start entering your questions. Write your question here. Provide your answers here. And if you'd like to have more than 4 questions, you may add answer options here by clicking on this tab. If you're not wanting 5 questions, you can go over to the right-hand screen and delete that option. As I mentioned before, Quizizz allows you to align your quizzes to the standards. To do this, you're going to want to go to the Tag Standards tab, search for the standard, click on the box, and you'll notice that the standard is listed here. This one says Represent and Interpret Data. If this is not the correct standard, you simply click on the tab, deselect the box, and choose a different one. Once we've chosen our standard, we now select the amount of time we want to give our students to answer each question. Click the drop-down arrow, and Quizizz allows us anywhere from 5 seconds to 15 minutes. For this question, we will allow our students to have 30 seconds. And then we will press Save. Notice Quizizz warns us that we have not selected a correct answer choice. We go over to the check marks, select our correct answer choice, and then we press Save. Now we have created our first question. To create further questions, you simply push the purple plus button. We also have the choice of searching from an existing question or creating a new question tab. Once you have completed your list of questions, don't forget to go and press the Finish Quiz button. Now we have our completed quiz. If you need to make any changes, you can always edit your quiz, print your quiz, delete your quiz, and most importantly, have fun with it by playing a live game. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.